Hello, my dear students, Prep 1. How are you? I hope you are fine. We are still in Unit 2, Lesson 4 and 5. Before we start, let me show you the new words for these two lessons. So please listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Forms of transport, rain, canoe, snow, village, snowmobile, children, bike, hobby. Okay, now let's see the pictures. Again, forms of transport, rain, canoe, snow, village, snowmobile, children, bike, hobby. Okay, Prep 1. Now let's learn these expressions with each other. Number 1, nouns that end with Y preceded by consonant, we delete the letter Y and put IES. Again, the nouns that end with the letter Y preceded by, what is the meaning of preceded? مسبوق. Yes, preceded by a consonant, حرف ساكن, we delete the letter Y and put IES. For example, hobby. To form the plural, عشان أجيب البلورال الجمع منها, we omitted the letter Y and put IES. Hobby, hobbies. Country. We omitted the letter Y to become countries. Number 2, by canoe equal in a canoe. I can write it with the two ways. By canoe equal in a canoe. For example, the children go to school in a canoe or by canoe. Number 3, take plus time plus 2 plus infinitive. It's an expression to express time. يعبر عن التايم. Example, how long does it take to go to Banha? How long does it take to go to Banha? So here we have the verb take plus 2 plus go. Okay, the answer, it takes 30 minutes to go to Banha. Again, we have the verb takes plus time 30 minutes plus 2 plus infinitive go. It takes 30 minutes to go to Banha. Number 4, arrive in or arrive at. For example, the children arrive at school at 7:15. But here, I arrived in London last week. What is the difference between arrive at and arrive in? Arrive at, what comes after it? Yes, school. The school is a near place and a small place. مكان, yes, near, قريب. But here, I arrived in London. It's a big place. It's a city. It's a country. So we use arrive at with the small and near places, but we use arrive in with big and far places. الأماكن البعيدة. Yes. Okay, number 5, verbs that express traveling and transport. I can replace the means of transport, أستبدل وسيلة المواصلات with this verb. For example, he cycles to school. Cycle means go by bike. Again, he cycles to school. We said cycles means to go by bike. Number 2, he always drives to work. Drives the car, drives the bus. Yes. Number 3, we often walk to school. Walk to school equal go on foot. We often go to school on foot. She flies to Alex by plane. Flies means to go by plane. I sailed to Luxor. Sailed here means I went to buy boat. Again, sailed means I went to buy boat. Okay, everyone. Now it's time for book practice. So please open your book with me, page 18. Lesson 4, reading time. Exercise 1. Look at the photos and answer the questions. Number 1. How many forms of transport can you see? We have packages 1, 2, 3. Yes. So again, how many forms of transport can you see? 3. Number 2. Which photos show a canoe, snowmobile, and bike? Which picture that have the canoe? Canoe in picture 2. Yes. Snowmobile in picture 3. Bike in picture 1. Yes. Number 3. Why do you think the children travel to school this way? Why? Why children here travel by this way? Travel by bike or by canoe or by by snowmobile? Why? ليه? I think because their schools are far away. بعيد. Yes, because their schools are far away. Okay. Exercise 2. Read the text and check your answers to exercise 1. Now we will read the text. How do they go to school? In some countries, children live a long way from their school. They do not go to school by car, bus, or train. Number 1, this boy, look at this boy. Every morning, children from this village in Egypt. So where is he from? Yes, he is from Egypt. Every morning, children from this village in Egypt cycle to school. Yes, what do we mean by cycle? Cycle means go by bike. Yes, excellent. Go by bike or bicycle. Every morning, children from this village in Egypt cycle to school. It's a cheap and healthy way to travel. It's a cheap and healthy, yes, way to travel. They can always arrive on time. Okay, number 2. These children live next to Lake Binyoni. Where is Lake Binyoni? In Uganda. Their school is on the other side of the lake. So they do not walk to school. They can't walk to school. Why? Because the school is on the other side of the lake. So they can't go to the other side of the lake by walking. What do? بيعملوا ايه? They go in a canoe like this. It's a kind of boat. They go in a canoe. The canoe takes the children to school and home again every day. The canoe takes them to go to school and brings them back. يرجعهم, yes. Number 3. This boy lives in the USA. In winter, there is a lot of snow. The children travel to school on a snowmobile like this. In a snowmobile. Why? Because in winter there is a lot of snow. Yes. Exercise 3. Match the speakers with the correct parts of the text in exercise 2. A. Sometimes when it rains a lot, the water's dangerous and we can't arrive at school on time. This is number 1 ولا 2 ولا 3? Yes. Number 2. Excellent. B. It's cold, but it's fast and fun. This is in number 3. Excellent. C. When the roads are busy, the bus is slow, but the bike is quick. Where is it? Number 1. Yes, that's it. Now let's go to page 19. Speaking time, exercise 1. Look at the photo and answer the question. Look at this photo of those two girls, those nice girls, and answer the questions. Number 1, where are the children? Try to guess. Where are they? Yes, they are wearing the school uniform. So they are at school. Excellent. They are at school. Number 2, do you think they are talking about their hobbies, ولا the timetable, ولا their favorite food? Their favorite food. Good. Yes. Look at exercise 3. Complete the questions. Number 1, what subject have we got next? Number 2, what's your subject? What's your favorite? Excellent. What's your favorite subject? Number 3, are you at languages? Are you good? Are you good at languages? Number 4, who is our English teacher this year? Excellent. Who is our English teacher this year? Number 5, when have we got English? That's it. Number 6, space is the break. What time? Excellent. What time is the break? Okay, exercise 4. Match the questions in exercise 3 with these answers. Letter A is given. It is from 10:15 to 10:30. We said number 6, the time of break. B, it is Miss Amal. This is number what? Yes, number 4. Who is our English teacher this year? يبقى B, letter B, number 4. C, space, it is computer studies next. It is computer studies next. What is that? What subject have we got next? Excellent. Number 1. يبقى C, number 1. D, it is after break. It is after break. What is after break? Yes, when have we got English? Excellent. 5. Letter D, number 5. C, space, it is E, I like science. I like science. يبقى what is your favorite subject? Number 2. يبقى letter E, number 2. I like science. يبقى what's your favorite subject? F, I'm quite good at English and I'm not bad at French. This is what? This is number 3. Are you good at languages? He said, I'm quite good at English and I'm not bad at French. So F, number 3. F, number 3. Okay, exercise 5, work in pairs. Use the questions in exercise 3 to ask and answer questions about your school day. Try to practice this activity with your brother or with your friend. Someone will ask and another one will answer. And I hope that it was a nice lesson, and thank you.